Now we have that, but I want to structure this application in a certain way. Now the way that I'm going to do that is, when we are logged in, I want all my logged in pages to be inside a certain route group. So to create a route group, we simply create a new folder with parentheses, and then I'm going to call this logged in. The name is up to you. So logged in, and then I'm going to drag and drop my all events folder. So drag and drop it inside here, like so. Now route groups don't show up in the address bar, so the route right here is going to remain the same. Even if I reload it, you can see that I don't have any errors. So that is looking fantastic. Now the good thing about route groups is that you can also create layouts for particular route groups. Now the reason why I want to create this layout is, when we are logged in, we are showing a header which is going to be present on all pages. So we want to go ahead and show that particular header. So I'm going to go ahead and create a new file inside here called layout.js inside my route group. Notice that it is inside my route group. So inside here, I'm going to say export default function logged in layout, like so. And then I'm going to say return, and we're going to be returning a div inside here. And this div is going to be showing a header component which we don't have, and then it's going to be rendering the children which we need to destructure inside here, like so. Now if I save this, then we should get an error, as you can see, but let's go ahead and fix it by creating our header component. So inside my components folder, which was created by ShadCN, but not inside the UI, so inside the components folder, create a new file that is called header.js, and then I'm going to say rfc, like so, enter, and then we're just going to call that header, save that, and then what we're going to do is make sure that you auto import this, like so. So what I've done there is control spacebar, and then it auto imports the header, like so. And then now we should not have an error on the screen. Fantastic. Now apart from having the all events page, we also know that we're going to have a new folder, or rather a new page, or another page that is called create event can speak. So inside my logged in route group, I'm going to create a new folder, not a new file, that is called create-event. And then inside this, I'm going to create a new file that is called page.js, and then I'm going to say rfc, and then I'm going to say this is called create event, like so. Fantastic. So now you can go ahead and try to manually navigate. If I go into create-event, then it should show me create event right there. So our navigation is technically working, but not yet. So let's go ahead and fix it. So I'm going to jump back into my header.js file, and then inside here, we're going to begin to build out our header component, and I'm going to take a break.